Yep, we got the forklift going and we're headed back to the back lot to see if we can't move some Mopars.
We're kind of giving a start to this video. It's really at the end. We got started before we did videos. Keeping up with everybody, we're going to try to make the cars that's here look like the ones at the back. You see how they scatter through here? And this is what we did this morning. And we're going to show you some footage of us doing what we did. The old forklift, I think, is about the model of the cars. And you really got to almost like rub your belly and scratch your head at the same time to work the controls. But it still moves around these old cars. And it'll sure let you know the difference. One's got a motor and transmission in it and the one that don't. Well, I hope y'all enjoy what we've done today.
Well, this is supposed to be the B-body field. We're going to move some A-body and E-bodies in here also, just because we're running out of room everywhere else. But right now we're trying to get some of these cars straightened up. And so we've got an A-body and a B-body and E-body line going to start. But right now we've got half bodies. We started out with the first two are half bodies. Nothing left on the tail end of these. So this one Matt just set in line is a 1971 Dodge Coronet 2-door hardtop, and it came with a 318, and it's still got a lot of stuff left on it. Won't be on the road anymore. A lot of the interior is gone. Yeah, remember what the little button's for. He's fixing to bring another one. We're just getting started today, Sunday, July the 14th. Yesterday was Matt's birthday. We'll come out here to see if we can get some cars lined up. So we got 3 so far lined up. And he's fixing to set the 4th one on here. These was just set willy-nilly wherever they just pulled the hauler and unloaded them. And I know we're not going to get these exact, but you see I've got a 2 2x4s cut as a spacer. Shut this door. This one was in Illinois back around 1986. Still looks pretty good compared to a lot of them in here. Yep, there's still a motor under there. This is a 1971. Let the door come back open. I just finally got it shut. It's a 1971 Plymouth. Well, that shows a 92 tag for Illinois. But this one right here was a Roadrunner edition. It's still got a little bit of Roadrunner left. You can tell it's been in Illinois because she's got some rust. But I bet she was a sharp little thing back in the day. So it looks like Matt's got another. This is a big 4-door coming in. Let's see if I can shut the door on it. Big 4-door. Twist. Yeah. Just right. This one is a Coronet. Big 4-door. I think that is a 70, but I can't see the number. I think it's a 1, I'm not sure. There's the VIN plate on it. No, it's, yeah, 1971. We got a cassette tape in here. Leonard Skinner, looky there, Leonard Skinner. They listen to the good music, but that thing's shot. Man, oh man. I wonder if that's Aqua Velva. They had Aqua Velva and Leonard Skinner. Next in line is a 2-door satellite, and even though it's a 2-door, you can tell that sucker is heavy. I think this one said it was a Sebring Plus. We're fixing to find out. Still got one hubcap on. No, come back this way. how close he set it to my boards. Pretty good. Pretty good. Alright, let's see what we got on this one. It's a 73. 73 Sebring Plus. Still got some interior. Yeah, I think it got pretty close. Still got the motor in it. I love these hubcaps. All that's left of the Roadrunner emblem. But you know, I sell those Roadrunner emblems on eBay. All you have to do is go to Stevens Mopar Parts on eBay, and you can get new reproductions. They're licensed by Chrysler.
Yeah, we need the drama. We own this place, yeah, we own this place.